In this video, we'll be editing the animations for our website on Shopify. The animations are how different sections will display as you scroll down the page, or as different product cards will act when you hover on them. As we hover on these product cards now, we have a vertical lift animation enabled, and you can see these cards lift up as we hover over them, drawing our viewer's eye. To make these edits, go into your theme editor where you'll land on the default version on your homepage. Go to the left-hand side to the gear icon and select Theme Settings. Select Animations. To disable or enable, select the checkbox to reveal sections on scroll. That's if you scroll down the page. The next section will be revealed to the viewer as they scroll. And for the hover effect, you can either have no hover effect, a vertical lift, which lifts the product card up vertically when you hover on it, or a 3D lift, which you can see slightly moves the card off axis and displays a drop shadow beneath the product card itself. We'll select none to remove all hover effects, verify that it has been disabled, and then select Save, as that's the settings we would like to have on our store. If you found this video helpful, click subscribe down below and follow us for more on setting up and running a business online.